My name is Ayush Datta. I am a second year undergraduate student of the Department of Chemical Engineering enrolled in its dual degree course. I am from Kolkata. I am a boarder of Patel Hall of Residence. I am contesting for the post of General Secretary, Social and Cultural Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur for the academic session 2015-2016.
Any questions? Ayush, please go ahead with the statement of purpose.
My desire and confidence to contest for the post of General Secretary, Social and Cultural stems from the various experiences and exposure that I have gained during my 2-year stay at IIT Kharagpur. Being an active part of the various extracurricular activities of the social and cultural genre, be it Springfest, the various societies on campus, or the Social and Cultural General Championship. In my first year, I was an associate publicity member of Springfest 2014. I, along with 3 other members, was responsible for looking after the publicity of the West Bengal region, which saw an increase in participation by 23%. Also, as a member of the guest reception team of Springfest 2014, I was responsible for looking after the transport and reception of all 160 guests who had arrived in Springfest that year. In my second year as a co-organizing team member of Springfest 2015, I was instrumental in all the 3 major facets of conducting the fest, namely sponsorship, event management and publicity. On the sponsorship front, I secured a contribution worth rupees 3.64 lakhs, which includes alumni contribution, company deals and gift sponsorship. I coordinated the publicity of the West Bengal region in my second year, which saw a participation of 933, which is the highest ever in the history of Springfest. Also, I was one of the 5 coordinators of the entire team of 31 associate members of Springfest 2015, which enhances my immaculate leadership skills. On the event management front, I acted as one of 4 coordinators of the Freshers event of Springfest 2015, which saw a record participation of more than 700 first-year students. Also, as an arena attaché of Springfest 2015, I was responsible with 1 other member in overseeing the construction and layout of the entire Springfest arena and the construction and the conduction of 13 different events, including the nationwide flagship events, Nukkad and Shuffle. Besides Springfest, I have been a constant and active part of the Technology Dramatic Society through HEEN and have taken part in 4 different stage plays as a part of the society. I was also a member of the Debating Society IIT Kharagpur in my first year. I have also been an active participant in the Social and Cultural General Championship during my 2-year stay at IIT Kharagpur. In my first year as a boarder of Madan Mohan Malviya Hall of Residence, I was an integral member of the Bengali Elocution and Bengali Dramatics teams. In my second year as a boarder of Patel Hall of Residence, I took part in 5 different events, namely Bengali Elocution, Choreography, Bengali Dramatics, English Elocution and a gold-winning What's the Good Word team of Patel Hall of Residence. The General Secretary, Social and Cultural must be dedicated, hardworking and a team player. I believe all these experiences which I have gathered in the last 2 years inculcate in me the various qualities that are required of a General Secretary, Social and Cultural, and I shall be doing full justice to the post if elected.
You were an associate publicity member in your first year and you did the publicity in West Bengal, is that correct? Can you name the 2 panels of Springfest IIT KGB Man of that year?
Yes, sir. The 2 panels were FCCC and ISEC.
Can you please give the full form for the knowledge of the audience? Thank you.
Sir, as an associate publicity member looking after the guest reception part of Springfest 2014, I do not believe it was under my purview to know the exact details of the agenda of the councils.
Ayush, I think as an associate publicity member, you are at least supposed to know the full name because you are publicizing about the fest, right? Without knowing the name, how are you publicizing?
Sir, I did not know the exact details. However, if you want to know, I know that the FCCC was named Futuristic Crisis Council Committee.
Can you mention some of the initiatives that you have taken during your member tenure?
Yes, ma'am. During my tenure as a core organizing team member of Springfest 2015, as I already stated in my statement of purpose, I was one of the 4 coordinators of the freshers event Deja Vu of Springfest 2015. I initiated the concept of introducing Mario as an underlying theme, introducing and integrating the 5 different sub-events that took place in the event.
Can you tell me about the initiatives apart from Springfest?
Yes, sir. In my school days, I was an active volunteer and took the initiative to raise funds for the victims of Cyclone Aila in 2008.
Ayush, can you give us some instance which shows your good time management skills?
Yes, sir. As I have already said in my statement of purpose, besides being an associate publicity member and a core organizing team member of Springfest 2014 and 15, I was also an active and constant part of the Technology Dramatic Society Dhruvi, a member of the Debating Society, and an active participant in the Social and Cultural General Championships of IIT Kharagpur.
Ayush, as an associate publicity member, which guest did you receive?
Sir, during my tenure as an associate publicity member as a part of the guest reception team, I was the sole member who had went to Kolkata Airport to receive Salim Sulaiman for their performance in Springfest. Also, I was one of the members who had gone to receive Agni and Christian to the Kolkata Airport for their reception. Apart from that, I was responsible for the in-house transport of many of the guests who had arrived in Springfest, including staff and the distinguished alumni of IIT Kharagpur.
Ayush, can you please elaborate on your role as a part of Team Dhruvi?
Sorry, sir, I did not hear you.
Please elaborate on your part as a team member of Dhruvi.
Yes, sir. I have been a constant and active part of the Technology Dramatic Society Dhruvi since my first year and have taken part in 4 different stage plays as a part of the society.
Ayush, can you tell me, you were a part of the Debating Society in the first year. What happened afterward?
Ma'am, I believe that the first year is an opportunity to try out various different avenues and explore different avenues, as a result of which I had joined the Debating Society IIT Kharagpur out of my love for public speaking. However, since I had other commitments, both as an associate publicity member of Springfest 2014 and as a member of Technology Dramatic Society Dhruvi, I could not continue as a member of the Debating Society. So, in consultation with the governors of the Debating Society, I discontinued as a member. However, I did not give up my love for public speaking, which is very evident from the fact that I was a part of the Bengali elocution team of Madan Mohan Malaviya Hall of Presidents in my first year, and both the Bengali elocution and the English elocution team of Patel Hall of Presidents in my second year.
So, does it mean that you lack responsibility, that you cannot handle too many things at one time?
No, ma'am. I think it is a failing of me as a human that I cannot be present at 2 places at one point of time.
I think that's called as multitasking for the post which you're standing for.
The duties of the General Secretary Social and Cultural include coordinating both the General Championship and Springfest. Since both of them fall under my duties, I do not think this problem arises of being in 2 places at the same time.
Ayush, describe your role as an arena attaché.
Yes, ma'am. As an arena attaché of Springfest 2015, I was responsible for looking after the construction and layout of the entire Springfest arena, whose perimeter I increased by 60 feet in the process. Also, I was responsible for coordinating 13 different events, including the nationwide flagship events, Nukkad and Shuffle. I led a team of 2 associate members and 15 volunteers in smooth conduction of the events related to the Springfest arena.
Ayush, what is the name of the first years apart from associate publicity members in the fest or associate members?
Sir, they are part of the SF crew.
Then why did you mention the name volunteers?
Sir, they are the part of the SF crew who volunteer to work for Springfest as an organization.
Ayush, can you tell any social aspects of your life, within KGP campus? Because you are contesting for the post of General Secretary, Social and Culture.
Yes, sir. Over my 2-year stay at IIT Kharagpur, I have donated blood twice. In my first year in Springfest 2014 and in my second year at Patel Jayanti at Patel Hall of Residence.
Can you tell me your participation in any other events other than the so-called events?
Yes, ma'am. I did participate in the bronze winning product design team of Patel Hall of Residence.
As General Secretary, Social and Culture, you will face so many adverse situations in your during your tenure. Can you quote some instances wherein you were in an adverse situation and you managed to come out of it very effectively?
Yes, sir. Sir, in my second year, I had broken my leg, but in spite of being inadequate and incapable of performing various activities, I did not quit my duties as a co-organizing team member of Springfest 2015. I approached my heads and asked them to let me continue as a member, and I did my work efficiently.
Can you tell me why is it significant that you got a sponsorship amount as high as 3.64 lakhs?
Sir, it is a significant amount since it has helped increase the budget of Springfest 2015 by 3.64 lakhs.
Ayush, can you tell me when was the first IIT KGP Model United Nations conference held?
Yes, sir. So the first IIT KGP Model United Nations was held in 2012.
Ayush, what is your comment on intra-IIT social and cultural meet?
Sir, I have been in consultation with the present General Secretaries about the state of the inter-IIT social and cultural meet. If all the IITs and all the members of IIT Kharagpur are in favor of an inter-IIT social meet to be held, I do not see any problem in going through with it.
Ayush, a General Secretary should have good leadership skills. Do you consider yourself as a good leader? If yes, cite some incidents where you've shown your leadership skills.
Yes, ma'am, definitely. I think, as I've already mentioned in my statement of purpose, being a coordinator of the entire 31 associate member team of Springfest 2015 and conducting the meetings and coordinating the publicity throughout the country of India shows my immaculate leadership skills.
Ayush, can you tell me why the name was, since you are the coordinator of associate members, why the name was changed from ASP to associate members?
Yes, sir. It is because more duties have been assigned to the associate members in addition to the previous duties of publicity.
Can you quantify the duties? Tell them.
Yes, sir. Their relations with the media organizations throughout India has increased, as has their relations with the campus ambassadors and the process of campus ambassador selections.
Ayush, all this falls under the purview of publicity only. Then why did you change the name to associate members?
No further questions, please. Sir, the selection of campus ambassadors does not pertain to only publicity but also helps in event conduction in Springfest 2015 since the nationwide prelims were conducted with help of their campus ambassadors also.
Ayush, you mentioned during your ASP tenure there was a percentage increase of 23% in the first year. What was a similar percentage in your second year when you publicized in West Bengal?
Sir, in my second year, the publicity increased by 39%.
Ayush, what was the standing in English elocution?
Sir, in English elocution team of Patel Hall of Residence, I was one of the main speakers and I got the 4th highest score out of 24 participants. I have 4 proposals which I want to initiate. My first proposal is that I propose to initiate a social cell for the students of IIT Kharagpur. This would help students of IIT Kharagpur to increase their participation in social events and will also give them the much required exposure for the problems of to face the problems of the varied majority. My second proposal is to include a humor fest as a part of the Spring Fest. My third proposal is to introduce 3 different events in Open IIT, namely short film making, Nukkad and group dance competition. These three events shall be introduced in the Open IIT due to lack of such events in the General Championship, and upon consensus of the people of IIT Kharagpur, they can be included in the General Championship later on. My fourth and last proposal is to conduct a freestyle event named Kharagpur's Got Talent, which shall benefit any and every student who needs a platform to showcase their varied talents. I would like to discuss my first proposal, which is the initiation of a social cell. The social cell shall be an organization which shall be under the aegis of the Technology Students Gymkhana. The General Secretary, Social and Cultural will be the ex officio heads of this cell. It will be in contact with various NGOs and will coordinate with them in organizing events and with a social theme across a wide spectrum. The activities of the social cell shall be organizing various social events in the campus, and this shall be done in association with various NGOs which will be contacted regularly. The social cell will also provide the various NGOs a platform to display to the students and faculty at IIT Kharagpur the work which they are doing for the society. The social cell shall also, as per the requirements of the concerned NGOs, arrange for volunteers to work for the NGOs as social internships. These social internships might also involve the technical knowledge of the students for the formation of a better society. There are varied benefits to the social cell. Some of them are providing the students of IIT Kharagpur a chance to give back to the society. The students will face the much required exposure to the problems faced by the majority and will also get an insight on how to deal with these problems. The social cell shall inculcate the much required social aspect in the social and cultural genre. The social cell shall also provide students with social internships in return for the services extended to the NGOs.
I think by making the General Secretaries the ex officio heads of the social cell, aren't you increasing burden? They already have the load of General Championship and Springfest.
No sir, I think that the initiative of a social cell is a noble one, and there shall be no General Secretary who shall be backing down from the responsibility of handling a social cell.
Ayush, by seeing the look of your written memorial of your proposal, the first thing that comes to my mind, it's not organized and it's not edited properly. Defend yourself. It shows lack of concentration.
Ma'am, I do not agree with you. The proposal has been drafted with much consideration and care, and the annexer also displays the various amount of groundwork that I put in for the proposal.
Ayush, which NGOs have you contacted and what was their response?
Ma'am, I have contacted various NGOs in Kolkata and Kharagpur, and I have gotten a very good response from them. If you turn to the annexure 1 of my proposal, you will find the list of the NGOs who have accepted the notion of a social cell and are encouraging it.
For the general benefit, I want you to mention the names of NGO and their responses. It's not just for me, it's for the general benefit.
Yes ma'am, various NGOs in Kolkata, including Parivar, Action for India, etc. have been contacted regarding this proposal. The founder of Parivar, Mr. Vinayak Lohani, who is a distinguished alumnus of IIT Kharagpur, personally responded to my mail and said this was an excellent initiative and that we should definitely go ahead with it.
Ayush, as you have mentioned, the events will be blood donation and Swachh Bharat and etc. What is these etc. events?
Sir, if you do not know, etc. is a term which shows that there are various other activities which I want to include as a member of the social cell.
Ayush, I think you should get the question. You should hear the question properly. We were asking to quantify the events. Can you say some more events apart from blood donation and Swachh Bharat?
Sir, these various events shall be done in association with the NGOs and shall depend upon the NGOs upon the type of event that they want to conduct.
Can you please name a few events? I mean, you have done a lot of groundwork, right? I think many NGOs have agreed.
Yes,
so I think you might be having the name of many events. Can you name a few?
Yes, sir, I can definitely name a few. As I've already mentioned, blood donation camp and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. There can be various rallies and also various surveys conducted in the vicinity of IIT Kharagpur for the betterment of the people. We are also looking at improvement for teaching for underprivileged children, at which Parivar, which is the organization I've already named, is aimed at.
Don't you think all this etc. is being done by CRY, Gopali Youth Welfare Society and NSS, what all you mentioned etc. These three societies have been doing that.
Definitely sir, these three societies have definitely been contributing to the social aspect of IIT Kharagpur. However, we want to extend our social hand to the NGOs in Kharagpur and Kolkata and form a social cell which shall be working for the benefit of the people throughout the state of West Bengal.
Ayush, can you throw some light on the internships being offered? Like what is expected out of the interns and how is it benefiting them?
Ma'am, there are various students who have not received exposure into the world of internships and the professional world. This initiative of social internships gives them that platform to jump into the world of internships and the professional world, and also helps them to work for the benefit of the general society.
Ayush, don't you think that internships are under the purview of CTC? Won't it be a clash?
No sir, there will not be a clash. I have already contacted members of the Career Development Center, including Mr. Punj Rajan, Vice President of Technology Students Gymkhana, and he has agreed to go on with the proposal. The internship shall be conducted in association with the Career Development Center.
Ayush, how are you sure that the student community will come ahead to participate in such a social cell?
Definitely sir, I do not think that the social initiatives of the students of IIT Kharagpur can be undermined. I think all of the students of IIT Kharagpur are very inclined for the welfare of the society, and it can be counted upon for them to come forward to the help of the society. In fact, I have already conducted a survey across people of different halls of residence at different years, and there has been a general consensus in favor of 92% in favor of the proposal.
Ayush, for the benefit of the audience, can you share the sample size of the survey which you conducted?
Yes sir, the sample size was 134 students across all halls of residence and all years.
What is the student population of IIT Kharagpur?
Sir, the student population of IIT Kharagpur is 10,000 students.
Thank you.
Ayush, have you spoken to any professors before this proposal?
Yes sir, definitely. I have spoken to many professors regarding this proposal. In fact, I have a written mail of confirmation from Mr. Gautam Saha, who has been the coordinator of both National Sports Organization and National Service Scheme IIT Kharagpur, and he has expressed his enthusiasm in going ahead with this proposal.
Ayush, don't you think making G6 the ex-officio heads of the cell will eliminate 4th and 5th year from participating in this? Can't you make professor in charge of this?
Sir, if you have seen all the societies of IIT Kharagpur, they have governors who are in 3rd year. However, they are active members of 4th and 5th years, so I do not think there should be a problem regarding this.
Ayush, how will this social cell help in the betterment of the victims of human trafficking and violence?
Ma'am, I have been in contact with such an NGO called Kolkata Sanved, who organizes dance movement therapy for the victims of human trafficking. They have expressed their enthusiasm in coming to IIT Kharagpur to showcase their various activities and also associate with the social cell.
Thank you, Ayush. That is the activity of the Kolkata NGO that you're talking about. I'm asking, how will the social cell help?
Ma'am, as I've already said, the social cell will provide a platform for these NGOs which will help in the in people of IIT Kharagpur knowing about these NGOs and come forward in helping these NGOs in their activities.
Ayush, how did you try to incorporate Gopali Youth Welfare Society and CRY IIT Kharagpur, since they are also social organizations in the campus? Did you try to incorporate them in your proposal?
Sir, I have been in touch with members of the Gopali Youth Welfare Society and the CRY IIT Kharagpur, and they have said that it is a very good initiative and we should go ahead with it.
It's not about appreciation. I'm asking, how are they incorporated in this? Do you think there should be multiple and so many organizations conducting randomly various social activities in the
Sir, I do not think that you can degrade the number of societies who are wanting to help the society into a competition that you have mentioned. I believe that all the organizations shall work together in the betterment of the society.
Next question.
Ayush, what kind of work are expected out of the interns?
Sir, there will be twofold work for the interns. One of them will be the on-field activities that the interns will be doing for the NGOs that we have contacted and will be contacting. Also, there are various activities which will require the technical exposure of the students of IIT Kharagpur, including web designing, surveying, and data analytics.